When it comes to your basement, if you've got water, you've got problems. Hey everyone, I'm News Channel 5's Casey Mason and today's Tennessee Home Pros here with Frontier Basement Systems. They're going to tell us some tips about your basement, keeping it dry and keeping you happy.
Hi, I'm Judy Giebers.
And I'm Lane Giebers.
And we're from Frontier Basement Systems, and we're here today to talk about waterproofing. Lane and I have been a basement systems dealer since 2002, but we've been married and in construction for over 37 years. The three things that we're going to talk to you about today are a nationally backed warranty, protecting your home from water damage, and misconceptions.
So no water in your home is good because it causes moisture issues, which leads to mold. The 50% of the air that comes into your home is coming from your basement or your crawl space.
So when we're talking about what to look for in water damage, this is a perfect example right here.
So like you can see, there's just darker spots and it's just coming through. The moisture is just coming right through the block. Moisture and water issues actually can happen in a brand new home because we hear a lot of times, okay, I got a brand new home, I don't have to worry about things like that. Well, it depends on the construction techniques.
So the next thing we want to talk about is warranty and why. We have a nationally backed warranty at Frontier Basement Systems. If something would happen to Lane or I, you are fully backed by the same warranty that we have when you sign a contract with us. We are local, we are family owned, and we would love to help you out with any of your waterproofing.
So mention Home Pros and get a free estimate.